Guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna change my background. First I want to delete this text. Second, I'll go to my background. I'll click from gallery. What's my image? Background image is going to come from gallery. You can equally import this and put it behind. Alright, so this is the background I'm using. I got it from pinterest.com. okay, so you can, this is it. So I'm not going to change the image size because it's a square design and Pixellab's default image size is actually square, so I won't need to change the image size for this design. So next is to go to import and import my pictures, and the first picture I'm going to import will be this one. So I'll put it by the side, make it big and put it by the side like this. Yeah, any other editing that has to be done can be done later. Alright, so I can equally lock it up to make sure I don't displace it somehow. So that's cool. Next, we're going to import the other images, and these images actually I'm going to do the editing for one. So this is the first one, and do it for the rest very fast. So when you click on it, you can click here to make sure that your images, when you're importing, you make them square. Okay, so when you click here, you're going to have your images imported. The ratio 1:1. So I'm going to click there. Although this is square, I'm just going to click there because I'm going to do this for all of the other images. Alright, so go to image size. I'll put it at 19. I'll go to stroke, activate my stroke. I'll be using this pink as my stroke color. Click on it, stroke width goes to 3, and I'll keep it here. So this is what I'm going to do for the other images. So guys, let me just get through it really fast. Alright guys, so I got my other 4 images done. Now I can activate my grids because I want to arrange it to have a good alignment. I can activate my grids. I want a good alignment here, so delete these other grid lines. I just want a good alignment here. Now highlight each one of them and I'll move it properly. You can take another grid line to put somewhere around here. Make sure you have good alignment. I want something like this. Okay. A little bit closer. So yeah, we can work with this. This is not bad. This is pretty good. It's not bad. It's pretty good. So unless you want to create more space down by a single tick, no, it's too much by 1 point. Alright, so the next image I'm going to import, apply the same editing to it, but it's going to be of the size, let's say 13. So it's this one, so I'm going to take the size down to probably 12. Oh, sorry about that. Size goes down to 12. (12, 13) is okay. And then I'm going to apply the same stroke. I'm going to rotate this image to 45 degrees, and I'll use my move button to position it right. There we go. Now we can start with the text. Yeah, we can start putting our text now. So first text, we have beauty salon, the first text, and then the font for this text is going to be this font, Abre Fat Face Regular. This is it right here. It's a regular font in Pixellab, one of the default fonts. Abbreviated face regular. So this one is already in your Pixellab. It's not something you need to download. So let's start by editing text. First text we have here is beauty salon. I'll put here and we'll give it color pink. Text size, reduce the text size to 49. It's okay. Okay, then we also have a logo on top. I downloaded this and I removed the background, so we also have a logo on top. So I'm just gonna put this right here. Should be at the center of this line like this. All right, guys, so next we have our text below that says our services. So I'm just going to highlight the beauty salon text, copy it, bring it below, edit it to our services. I'll just edit it to our services like this. And put the size to about 38 or so. The other text that we have the content under here. So I'm going to take new text. I have this text copied, okay, so I'm just gonna paste it. So I'm just going to paste it. I have it copied here, so I have makeup, manicure, pedicure. Okay, this is one. And the font that I use for this is actually a font that I downloaded. It's called Exo. This is it here, Exo 2.0 bold. This is the font, so you can download this font, and then I'll give it a black color. There we go. The size for this text is going to be about 29. It's going to be about like this, 27, 28, 29, about this range. Then I'm just going to copy this because I have other text to add, so I'll copy it to make sure I have the same editing, and then I post the other half of it. Yeah, just bring it down and put it here. Use your move position to make sure you have them sit properly. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Now I locked this image, so I'm going to unlock it, shift it to the side a little bit. Add size and bring it down. Yeah, something like this. It's much better. So I can I went back to lock it, so we're almost done. Now we need the shape below, so go to your shapes, and before you insert your shape, make sure you work on it. The radius, I want it to be a little bit like this, not too much. This is too, so I'm gonna control it. Let's work on the radius like this, and the color for this shape is going to be the same pink. No stroke, so I'm just going to add it up. Now I'll go to my opacity and reduce it something like this, and I'm also going to work on my shape. So I'll reduce it to something like this. Now I'm just going to add 2 lines, the text and the icons, and the design is done. So to get our lines, go back to shapes. You're going to take a square like this, work on it. Bring it down and make sure you have the right position. If your line is too long, you can go to relative size and you reduce the height. You can still go there and reduce the height to maybe 7. That's perfect. Let me see. Yes, that is great. Okay, so I'm going to go now highlight this. It's too small to highlight it with your finger, so you have to go to your element section and highlight it. So I'm just going to copy this line. I'll just copy this line, copy, and take the other part to bring it down, and then I will move it as well to this position. So all that we have left is just to import our icons. We've got icons here, and then we have contacts and the location here. So we're done. So I'm just going to do that. I don't really need to talk. I'm just going to do that really fast. Alright guys, so we have our icons and the details beside it done. So I'm just going to go to this text, copy, and I edit for the other parts. I'm just going to say contacts here because I want to use the same font, the EXO 2.0. Contacts here. I'm just going to copy this, change the color to white. Make it a little bit just in the middle like that. And repeat the same, just copy, put it here, edit it to location here, or you can say address. Let me say address here. Alright guys, so that's it for this design. It's pretty easy. So I've imported my icons, change the color to white. The icon size here is 3%, all of them, and that's it for this tutorial. So I hope you liked it, and you can now choose to save it in your phone as a project. Give it your project name, or you save your image, choose the quality and the dimension. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Peace.